Hello, good evening, students. So, here we come again here with chapter 1 food. Where does it come from? So, previously we have done from this very chapter the topics like the food, what is food, and where does it come from, what are the different kinds of foods such as plants, animals, and what are the plant parts that are eaten or which are edible for both the animals and plants, animals and human beings. So we by now we already know what is the food and what are the basically where does it come from. So today's topic here we have what do animals eat. So that means what is the food that are eaten by the animals. So you have to know what are the varieties of foods or what are different kinds of foods that are eaten by the animals. So before we begin this very topic, you might have observed, some of you might also have some pets at home, such as dog, cats, rabbits as well, birds such as parrots. So these are the different kinds of uh, animals or the pets which we basically have at home, or else like domestic animals like cow. Some also have buffalo, goat, isn't it? So these are the basically these are the animals which are which are locally available and we can see in our nearby surroundings. Now if you move on to the animals like that are living in the forest or in the jungle, we could see varieties of animals such as lion, tiger, bear, deer, and then elephant, snakes, etc., and different varieties of birds as well. And now if you go to the aquatic, that means the animals that are living in the water. We have fishes, alligators, and also some water snakes. So these are the varieties of animals living in different places. Now the point here is, what do animals exactly eat? So animals you already know, there is no need of any explanation. But before knowing what does the animal eat, you have to know different kinds of animals and the different foods that are eaten by them. So nung saimana nangnara completely that bohai varieties animal tong te bote hai animals tamo food borok mane borok cha ba chanane posunda khalai to nungaba saimana nangnai. So no, say for example you take an examples like a dog. What does the dog eat? Dog eats meat, rice, and the snacks which we eat as well. So dog eats almost everything, we can say. And then cat, milk, fish. This is the basic, the basic food or which the cat likes to eat the most. As well as we can also see the cat eating rice at home. We also give rice to the cats, isn't it? And then if you take some more animals like goat, cow, buffalo, they eat what do they eat? They eat green leafy vegetables, or you can say grass, greenery grasses. We graze them in the field, isn't it? So these are the varieties of foods eaten by different kinds or different types of animals, isn't it? So what do animals eat? So here you can identify here the different animals eats different kinds of foods, which means both the animals as well as plant products are consumed as food by different kinds of animals. So that means saimano both the plant and the animal products, that means the flesh মানে যে বাহান মাংসপন হিনসিং যেটা abo no abo মানে as a food these are consumed by the different kinds of animals. As well as if you move on to like if you take the examples of like insects or small species like lizards, and then you have butterfly, isn't it, and then termites. These are the small insects which these are the small insects which they like to eat mostly the green leafy vegetables or the leaves. Okay, and as well as some insects are also eaten by the other species or insects. Okay, so lizards eats like small insects like say for example mosquitoes, and then small termites, small species or the insects. So you have to know which are the different kinds of or different varieties of foods that are eaten by varieties or different animals. So the main topic to be understood here is that both the plants and animals are consumed or eaten as food by the different varieties of animals. Animals can be bigger animals and smaller animals. You have to know that bigger animals like lion, tiger, elephants, and then you have got smaller animals, squirrels, rabbits, snakes, isn't it? And then you can move on to insects. The insects, they are not animals.